Essential skills in the art of persuasion. Essential knowledge and information. When you need to explain a fact or issue to someone, you have to tell them the primary things first. For that, you must have thorough information yourself first, or you risk failure in your task of convincing. Whether you have to sell a product or service or explain an issue at the workplace, you need to have enough knowledge and information about the issue. Complete knowledge and minimum information can also prove fruitful in the act of persuasion. Communication skill. To persuade someone, it is essential to communicate with that person, without which how can we get them to understand our point? But that communication has to be clear, transparent, related, appropriate, and polite. After that, whatever is the issue, the person will be willing to listen. Our point will reach him in the appropriate manner. Public speaking. Along with communication, public speaking skill is also essential to persuade someone. This skill is helpful when you need to address not just one person but a group, big or small. A voice should be firm yet humble, loud and clear, accompanied with just right body language, and voice modulations make the public speaking effective. So it would be apt to say that to put your point across, the art of public speaking is essential, because this will enable you to reach to many people in one go. While selling a product or service, public speaking can create many customers at one time and help increase the sale. Impressive presentation. Good clothes, cheerful face, attractive personality. These create a positive impact on people. Bad clothes, messy hair, dropped face, and a man who does not stand with his spine upright, who would want to listen to him? This proves that a person's presentation skills have to be effective for him to impress anyone. Because everyone loves to watch and listen to a winning personality. What kind of body language the speaker is using also makes a difference. Avoid standing with weight on one foot, doing distractive and wide hand gestures, and shaking legs, all such habits. Present what you have to sell or point that you have to make in an appropriate manner. An effective presentation, whether it is a personality or a product, definitely raises the customer's curiosity. Visible warmth and empathy. When you are proving a point or persuading someone, the first requisite is empathy. It directly touches hearts. Do not overlook this quality. Let it show in your body language. It reflects in it when the speaker imagines himself in the place of the audience, understanding their problems, questions, then follow automatically, adding force to speaker's presentation.